Hello guys, good day, welcome back. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig and now we're on to our Robotics Module 2 Assessment 3. So the problem is bar graph. Using a potentiometer, you should create a series of LEDs in a row. While turning the potentiometer knob will turn on or off more of the LEDs. Okay, so the materials stated are Arduino Uno, USB A to B cable, breadboard, potentiometer, 10 LED 5 mm, 10 220 ohms resistor, and jumper wires. Okay, so now let's prepare our Tinkercad. So here we are. I've already prepared the materials and the location for it. So now we'll just start with the ground. Connect it to the negative portion above. After that, change the color to black. And then here, all of the cathodes of the bulbs will connect it to the negative line. Then let's change colors later. I guess this should do for the 10 LEDs. Hmm. Red, red. Hmm. Orange, orange. My trend here, guys, in the color is to follow the rainbow, I guess. Although it's not a complete rainbow, but we'll just follow it nonetheless. Yellow, green, green, lastly blue. Afterwards, we change the lead to orange, yellow, green, blue, blue. Oh my bad. Green, yellow, orange. Afterwards, we're gonna connect the resistors to the all of these numbers from 13 to 4. Okay, so I guess I'll start with this one. I'll change that to red. This one, change that to orange. This one, we'll change that to yellow. This one, we'll change that to green. This one, change that to blue. Same with this one. This is also blue. I guess that's right. Green. Oh no, my bad. Here it should be the green one. Then this should be the yellow one. And then wait, orange. Lastly, red. After that, we're complete. Now let's move on here. Terminal 1 for the potentiometer is already always connected to the negative outlet. Here, we should connect this to, I guess, to the analog. Hmm. Okay, terminal 2 first. We connect this to the power. Hmm. I think it's good. Hmm. Power. I think we'll start here. Hmm. Power. Let's pick 5 volts. Okay, so that should do it. And here we should have it connected to any of the analogs. So I guess I'll choose A3 and then change the colors respectively. I'll also change it to purple. And I think that should do it. So let's start by coding. Okay, constant and analog pin equals what analog did we use? 80. Afterwards, don't forget the semicolon, constant int lead count equals 10, semicolon int lead pins. Uh, I think that's for bracket. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Mm, oh my bad. Okay. After that, void setup for int this led equals 0 semicolon this led is less than mm, led count semicolon this led plus plus no space my bad. After that, pin mode here, led pins this led output semicolon. Afterwards, void loop int sensor reading equals analog read analog pin int lead level equals map sensor reading 0 1023 0 led count. After that, 4 no space this led equals 0 this led is less than still led count semicolon this led plus plus. After that, if parenthesis this led is less than led level uh, brace digital right led pins this led uh, comma high else digital right led pins this led low. That should do it. Wait. Uh, oh, my bad. Why did I capitalize everything here? Hmm, that's what you get if you don't follow the uppercasing and lowercasing. So now, let's try to observe. All of the LEDs are turned off once this potentiometer is here. After that, if we move it, it starts to blink up the red, light up the orange, yellow, green, blue, then blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so this should be like that. So I guess that's all for this assessment, guys. Module 2, Assessment 3. Once again, thank you for listening and see you next time. Peace out.